today we are going to do something slightly different. We are going to do some cooking. So when I was younger, I was given this fantastic cooking book called Roald Dahl's Even More Revolting Recipes. And he's got lots of recipes in there that have been mentioned in some of his books. So the one we're going to be doing today is Tummyticklers, which is one of my favourites. Me, my brother and my sister always used to make these whenever we fancied a little snack. And Tummyticklers were actually mentioned in his book, The Giraffe and the Pillion Me. And it says there were gum twizzlers and fizzwinkles from China, froth blowers and spit sizzlers from Africa, tummy ticklers and gobwangles from the Fiji Islands, and lip lickers and plush nuggets from the land of the midnight sun. Okay, so we're going to be making tummy ticklers. So to make tummy ticklers, you need a frying pan, you need some cooking oil, you need 3 wraps, you need some mayonnaise, some whole grain mustard. Normal mustard is fine as well, but it tastes a little bit better with whole grain. You need some spring onions and the best touch, some grated cheese. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is you need to get out 3 wraps. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm hungry already. Okay, so I'm going to lay one down first of all on my surface. Okay, on the first one you need to add some mayonnaise. Okay, which you can then spread with a knife. Okay, and then on top of the mayonnaise you are going to put some chopped spring onion. Okay, so you just need to get 1 spring onion should be enough. So you might want to peel off the outside. This one looks okay. So you get a sharp knife. Always make sure you've got an adult with you if you're using a sharp knife. Cut off the end, and then you're going to cut lots of little bits of spring onion. Yum, yum, yum. Sometimes, if I haven't had spring onion, I've used chives before. Remember they were in Mum's garden. That tasted pretty good as well. Okay, so we've got mayonnaise and spring onion. And then, on top of that, we are going to sprinkle some grated cheese. So you want to do about half the amount of cheese you've got. A little tip is don't put it too close to the edge, because then when you fry it, it will squeeze out of the edge. Okay, so put it more, leave a couple of centimetres around the edge. Okay, so then on top of that you're going to put your next wrap. And on this wrap, where have I put it? You are going to put your mustard. Now mustard is quite strong, so you don't want too much. Okay, you want to make sure it covers, but not too much. Okay, so there's not too much on there. And then you are going to sprinkle on the rest of your cheese. And again, try not to go too close to the edge. The more cheese you get, the more tasty it is. Okay, then you put on your final tortilla. Okay, once that's made, you then need to put a frying pan on a hob or an arg or whatever you have at home. Use some vegetable oil in your pan, or olive oil is fine, and leave it to heat up. Okay, during this bit you need an adult with you as well, because you're using an oven. Okay, once you've done that and the oil is heated up, you need to pick up your tummy tickler and place it in the pan. Okay, you then want to leave it to cook until you kind of hear it sizzling a little bit, and then we're going to have a go at flipping it over. Okay, once you can hear it starting to sizzle, you just want to have a little peek underneath to check that it's going a little bit brown, which it is. Okay, so this bit's quite tricky, you might want help. Okay, so then you want to have a go at flipping it over. Oh no, okay. Yeah, I did it. Okay. So you just want to flip it over, and then you want to cook it for the same amount of time on the other side. Okay, and then once it's done, you can put it on a chopping board, and I use a pizza cutter and I just cut it, fractions. I'm going to cut it into 8. So my tummy tickler is 1 whole. I'm going to cut it into 8 equal parts. And then I'm going to enjoy. Oh, it cuts so nicely because all the melted cheese kind of, you can see how squidgy it is. Oh, I can't wait. Okay, so I'm just cutting into 8 equal parts. And then you'll see. Yeah. Really, really good. Okay, I'm going to go now because I want to get through this. I want to eat this. I'm so excited. But you should get this book. It's fantastic. There's recipes from the BFG, James and the Giant Peach, the Twits, I think. Really, really good book. Full of really exciting recipes for you to do. And actually, they're not that revolting. This is really, really tasty. Okay, enjoy and stay safe and enjoy your tummy ticklers.